Hi everyone, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to use what3words in Allygator, which is a ride-sharing app that operates in Berlin. So if you are currently in Berlin, you can plan your route using this app. So let's see how you can do it. In order to plan your route, you need to have a start and end point. Your start point can be automatically detected by your phone GPS, so all you need to do is enter your destination address. So tap on where are you going and enter your 3-word address. For example, clan custom round, and select the correct address from the suggestions. When you tap on it, the application generates the most optimal route for your trip. And that's how easy it is to use what3words with Allygator. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.